Good morning, friends. Just give me a minute. I'll post our YouTube live link in Telegram channel and the promotion, and then come back. Give me a minute. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, friends. So, what we are going to expect today? That's the key thing. So, until RBI policy, it will be a choppy kind of market. Any big moves will not be seen until 10 a.m. At least, don't be aggressive in your trades. RBI policy announcement at 10 a.m. and government press conference. See, the present governor's press conference is not at all a big deal because he uses to speak all kind of nonsense when it comes to RBI policy. He generally speaking at 10 a.m. if he starts speaking, he will end the meeting by end the session by 11 or 11:30. So don't worry about it. It is not like earlier governors who will just come and say about whether the rate hike or whatever the stances, and then they will have a press conference in the evening. But this fellow is like wasting time. He is speaking like giving a lecture in any big institutions. So don't worry about it. Just wait until whatever happens and then take a trade. I will give trades as and when we get good opportunity. We need not rush. Until then, if you people have any queries, you may post here. I can answer. But don't ask anything about fresh calls for today, because we need to wait for the policy outcome and then decide about the move. Let me open the commodities things as well, so that if we get any opportunities over there, we can take trades in them as well. These two will be the key for today. HDFC and HDFC Bank. They both have completed the gap which they created on Monday. So probably if there is any up move, that should be led by these two, HDFC and HDFC Bank. The data is a bit weak now, so there are possibilities the data could change post RBI policy. VIX is also at higher levels, 19. Good morning, Ravi. Mm. Bank Nifty. For now, if anybody is interested in taking a trade before RBI policy, you can take 38,000 call, but not now, at lower levels. Exact level will be posted when I get right opportunity, but anyways, you can add it in your watch list and keep it ready. Mm, please say it again. Which C? 38,000 call. 38,000 call of next week, 13th April expiry. Just add it to your watch list. We'll post levels as and when we get it. Okay. Don't rush. Don't think that you want to take it immediately. Just hold on. And whatever the queries which you have on your personal positions, you may ask. I'm ready to answer. Yeah, I will give you one option call here as well. The levels. Yeah, I have given levels. If you want, you can post. Place your order well in advance. Ujjivan Small Finance, I bought it at 30 and now 17, 18. It's rallying on this level only, not coming up to my level. What should I do? Should I square off? Just give me a minute. We will check the charts and have an update. Okay. You have purchased it at very high levels. Okay. You have purchased it at very high levels, but it is turning a bit now. Right now, you need not exit your position. This is for Mr. Abhishek. Right now, don't exit your position. Just keep holding for some time. You may get 21 to be tested. If 21 is crossed, then you will see your buy price. So if you are holding very high quantity means, then you may try to exit 50% at 21 and then switch over to any other big companies like um, Bajaj Finance or even with ICICI Bank, something like that, hold on to the remaining 50% alone for your buy price. But 30 as of now seems to be a difficult task. Until and otherwise any major positive news comes, it will not move that fast. Right. You're most welcome, Abhishek. I do have one stock which I make loss of. Nilesh, today's view on NG and crude. See, NG and crude, we can't give views right now. Okay, it is going to move as per the charts. So, if you ask me, NG, generally speaking, whatever it do before 3:30, it will be exact opposite after 3:30. So if you can go and check on any day's chart, whatever it does before 3:30, it will be doing exactly opposite direction on the after 3:30. To be precise, it will be after 4. Okay, that will be NG's move. And for crude, I don't give views much early because nowadays it is very volatile. So now I have placed a buy order at 7111 as per my strategy on fancy number, which I am going to take session during this Sunday. I mean Saturday. If level comes, I will buy. If my level is not coming, I won't. I never rush or never run behind anything. Any other questions? Bro, idea shares hold பண்ணலாமா for long term 5 years? There is no guarantee that idea will sustain in this business, bro. Yes, sir. ஐடியா இந்த பிஸ்னஸில் சஸ்டெயின் ஆகுமா ஆகாதான்றது தெரியாது. பெரிய குவான்டிட்டி எதுவும் ஹோல்ட் பண்ணாதீங்க. சும்மா ஒரு 5000 ரூபாய்க்கு வேணால் வாங்கி வைக்கிறதா வாங்க. 5000 ரூபா உங்களுக்கு பெரிய காசாக படலைனா, இல்லைனா 1000 ரூபாய்க்கு வாங்கி வச்சிங்கன்னா போதும். ஒர்க் ஆச்சுன்னா ஓகே, ஒர்க் ஆகலை அப்படின்னா 1000 ரூபா ஓகே, நம்ம ஏதோ செலவு பண்ணிட்டோம் அப்படின்னு நினச்சிட்டு விட்டுறலாம். ரொம்ப பெரிய அமௌண்ட்லாம் இன்வெஸ்ட் பண்ணாதீங்க ஐடியாவில். பிகாஸ் தெர் இஸ் நோ கேரண்டி தட் திஸ் பிஸ்னஸ் வில் சஸ்டெயின். At present, they are holding, but we don't know what will happen in future. We have seen a number of companies like that. They will hold for some time, and all of a sudden, one fine day, all kind of nonsense will happen, and everyone will go for a toss. So, for people who are willing to hedge your positions or playing for any one side based on call and put, buying a call as well as put, then this 17800 call and 17500 put will be good. Both are quoting somewhere, one is quoting around 80 and another one is quoting around 90. So if you can take both, that is well and good. But if you want to play one sided means you need to wait for policy outcome and then only should decide. Nilesh, you asked me about NG and crude, right? NG I have already said that it will move on the opposite direction after 4 p.m. Okay, so see how it has performed this particular day. This is on 30th until 4 it is hovering flat. Okay, post 4 it has gone raised like anything. Same way on the next day until 5 it was holding flat, then it raised again. Same way on the very next day until 5 it has down, it has gone up post 5. Exactly the same way like what it happened for the last 4 5 days. Once again till 4:30 it is down, after that it has gone up. See, these are all simple things which anyone can remember. Okay, if you see, observe everything keenly, then you can do wonders. See here, until 4 o'clock it is marginally up, but thereafter it has gone one way direction. Same way this place, once again same way yesterday, but yesterday it was a second of collapse and then rise in last 3 hours. See over here, until 4 it was down, I mean not, yeah, down from previous close, and then it had one bounce back, then it sold off again. After 8 it gone up again. So this is how it works. If we are able to catch it at the perfect area, then we'll be ending up with good results. More than a week, why all IT stocks are underperforming, bro? Is there any particular reason? Nothing like that. IT results are scheduled from next week. Okay, next week first TCS comes with results, and then next within next 2 or 3 days Infosys comes with results, and on the very next week HCL and Wipro comes with results. In between, Tech Mahindra and Mindtree comes with results. So before results, it will be one kind of profit booking. Obviously, see, if you want to find a reason, we can find a reason for anything and everything in markets, but there should be a logic before behind it. All moves of market will have any reason. We can find a reason. Monday, if you asked anyone why markets are went up, they would have said HDFC Bank merger, it has went up. Then Tuesday, if you ask someone why it has gone down, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, they would have said that it is profit booking in HDFC. See, these are all kind of lame excuses which everyone will give. Okay, but as far as me is concerned, better go with charts. That will be technical kind of stuff. Policy meet is at 10 a.m. $38,000 call is dropping. Let us see whether we can get our levels before policy meet or even during policy. If we get, then we can have a good 50-60 point move very quickly. Of course, you can book profits at your comfort. Let's have our charts in place. Once it breaks morning low, we can see a sharp fall wherein our order might get triggered. Let us see. Two 273 we are quoting. 266. But what happened? The rate is not updating here. Two 68. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. No one knows what is there in RBI governor's mind. 254 is the low. Another 4 minutes to go for policy outcome, and then he will give a lecture for at least 1 hour. Sorry. We moved from 3 to 10. Sorry, 250 itself. Look at the surge 1 minute before the policy outcome. Exactly 1 minute. It's 9:59. I guess there is no rate hike kind of stuff. That is why markets is surging. But we need to see how HDFC Bank reacts for this. HDFC Bank and HDFC. Yes, few hundred points and then coming back down. But I don't think we will get our level. Let's wait till 10:30. If not, we need to cancel our order. I don't think so. Stand by for government. Even in this kind of market also, Hindustan Unilever is standing tall. That is one of our pick given to premium members. 2200 call is suggested somewhere around 24 to 26, I think so. It's at 38 right now. There it is. One big surge and then a fall. Whatever the policy moves, it will be only for maximum 1 hour. Post that we will generally follow the levels. It's two-way kind of movement. Went all the way till 37,900, I guess. Yeah, 37,900, and then all of a sudden dropped 300 points. Until 10:30, we can hold on with our buy order for 38,000 call. If it is not getting executed, only then we can cancel our order. Oops, sharp up move again. Wow, wow, wow. Sharp move, but we missed entry. Very bad. Whoever taken the 17,500 put and 17,800 call, just hold on to your positions. Don't square off the position with small profits, because post this 1 hour RBI governor's lecture, we will see a directional move, so which will result in it will result in good profits for you. So a couple of new members are joining right now. The request for them is, if they have any queries, they can post it over here. I am ready to answer. Not a blunt answer. It will be a answer by referring charts in front of your eyes. Copper. I think in yesterday's live we have said about aluminum is a good short selling candidate. I haven't given any levels, but see how it has performed. Somewhere around 11 o'clock only we had our live session yesterday. Since there was no very less participation, only 3 or 4 members participation, within 10-15 minutes uh, close the session. To see the move from here to here, almost it has given 8 points move, 7-8 points move. So I wouldn't say that you would have captured all the 7-8 points, but at least if you would have captured 1 or 2 points, you would have ended with good profits. I think this is going to be a one-way directional trade. If it breaks, if Bank Nifty this 38,000 call breaks 355, whoever wishes to chase can chase. 65, 72, 75. Look at the pace in which it is moving. See, I don't normally chase markets, so I haven't done it so. Whoever chased it, your stop loss is day slow minus 5 points, which is 254 minus 5 points, which is 249. 249 will be your stop loss. You may exit as and when you are happy. It has already delivered you 25 points plus. I don't want to give any running commentary like other idiotic channels. My updates will be only when you see significant returns. If Bank Nifty is able to take out 38,080, 38080, then we can see superb move on the upside. Your call will blast like anything. Who knows, it may even show you 500. Ravi Bharat, good morning Sanjay. Would like to ask your analysis on India Bulls Housing Finance. I have them from 210, it's around 175 levels. We will just check the charts, bro. Actually, in fact, India Bulls Housing Finance is one of my cash pick as well. Let's see through charts. Aibul Housing. Yeah. See, it is trading above 20 and 50 moving averages, Ravi. This black line, middle black line of the Bollinger Band is the 20 moving average, and by blue one is the 50 moving average. It is trading above the 20 and 50 moving average, but the other indicators are showing some staggered move. If I want to make it simpler for you, then it will be like this. Look for this falling trend line breakout. Wait until then. If this trend line is broken, then this will be your target. This will be your target. What is this? 226 or 227. That will be your target. That will be the immediate target. And the next target which you can look for will be 275. But it will take its own sweet time. But all this comes under a condition: this falling trend line should be broken on the upside, and then it should sustain. That is the condition. That's the condition which we have. Whoever chased got only one opportunity, which is 30 points, 30, 35 points, not even 35 points, only 33 points. If you have missed, your stop loss has got triggered. This is why I don't chase anything in markets. I used to be staying calm and have patience to take my position. bought 37,800 call at 345. Your suggestion. See, we are already given one call in 38,000, but you have gone as per your strike price. Let me see Bank Nifty charts. So we can go and see the charts of 38, 37,800 call, right? 13th April. I think this is the one. 379. So for 38 7 sorry 37 800 call, this will be your stop loss. 234 will be your stop loss. And if this 488 is taken out, maybe in next 15 minutes or 30 minutes, you will see even it rallying to 640. Whatever I say now will be joke for somebody, but if the levels are taken out, it will be doing wonders. This policy jerk reaction will be only till next 1 hour, maybe until till 11, and then it will follow the normal global cues as well as charts. But you need to sold at 370. Oh, you exited too quickly. So this is how people are. They want very quick money, and they are not worried whether even if it is small. But when loss comes, they will hold till very big losses. Actually speaking, it should be the other way around. When there is loss, we need to exit with small losses, and when there is profit, we are supposed to ride the rally. But anyways, opinion differs between people to people. It's obviously the mindset of a trader whoever trades in a particular position. I'm in office. I couldn't follow frequently, so booked small profits are also. I wanted to know the way you look charts, so I can learn something out of it. I am one of them. Losses can hold even 10,000, 15,000, but profit when it comes exiting thousand. Yeah, that is the psychology of a trader. See, when we see something in green, our mind will force us to exit. But when we see something in red, we will think that at least it would come to my cost for my exit. This is how a typical trader's mindset will be. But once you overcome all those hurdles, you will become a successful trader. Don't worry about it. Ravi, you are with me. Don't worry. Ganesan, if you are happy with small profits, then I'm also fine with that. But don't run your losses too. See, either profit or losses, let it be small. Be happy with it. Aluminium could be a buying candidate for today, but levels we need to wait. So this is aluminium for you. Current market price is 277.5.3. Maybe if you get it around 276, you can take it with a stop loss of 274.90. Don't have a 275 as round number stop loss. Have a stop loss like 274.90. That would help you. Look at 37,800C. What Mr. Ganesan have to. It's 390 now. 388 approximately. Right. Mm, is there any good screener to shortlist the breakout or breakdown FNO stocks? See, there are many screeners in charting, bro. But to be honest, I don't use any screeners. I have a list of maybe 20-25 stocks and will hover within this 25 stocks, but that is more than enough. I wouldn't say screeners will not work. Screeners will work, but I don't follow it. If you search in charting, there are many screeners. There are many screeners. In fact, I do have one, but I don't use it. That was created by my friend. He has given to me, but I won't use it normally. Very rarely I will use it, or else I will not even touch it. We were saying Bank Nifty, if it crosses 38,080, we will see a good rally. But look at the high, 37,975. Now the surprising part over here is yesterday's high and today's high. I think both will be, sorry, day before yesterday's high. Day before yesterday's high. Now, so big move can be expected only when we cross 38,080. Until then, it will be choppy like this, and everything will change once this HDFC Bank starts moving. He is exactly hovering at the place where it was during last Friday, that is before the news outcome on Monday. It's going up and down, Bank Nifty especially, playing seesaw. It's been more than half an hour, 40 minutes already. This fellow is still giving lecture. There were days when RBI governor or governor announces his policy made decision in just 2 minutes. There were days. It was the period during Raghuram Rajan was RBI governor. He comes in front of the media, announces the policy decision by 11 a.m. and then he will say press conference is at 2 p.m. You can ask your questions there. That's it. RBI policy is done. That is how RBI policy announcements will be. But when this fellow came, Shaktikanta Das, he is giving lectures for about half an hour, 1 hour, sometimes even 1.5 hours. And barring this, he will have a press conference by today at 2 o'clock or maybe at 2:30. This is very bad, man. I am trying to catch at least at 250. It's not even giving opportunity for me. Here it came till 256 and then climbed, and here it came till 261 and then climbed. This is very bad. Can we pick something stock specific? Let me see whether we can pick something stock specific. have posted a call in Kotak. Okay, so wait and buy at our rate, and you may exit as per your comfort, as and when you are happy. Since governor has done with his lecture, Kotak Bank already in 2 points profit for you. See, don't look at the number of points, just one or two. Think about the lot size. Lot size is 400. Even 2 rupees would have given you somewhere around 800 rupees for just watching our YouTube channel. You are getting paid provided if you work on our calls. If you are just sitting idle, you will not get paid. You need to work. Okay. Oops. Aluminium has moved 1.5 paise, 1.5 rupees from the place where we have found it, but unfortunately we haven't rushed to take any position. We were waiting for it to take somewhere around 276, but it raised from 277 itself. Seems Bank Nifty is getting ready for the up move. So obviously Nifty will also follow. 38,000 call gave us one opportunity above 355. It went till 388 and then dropped, hit our stop loss. So now if anybody is willing to take Bank Nifty 38,000 call, the good price will be 270 to 290, anywhere between 270 to 290, with a stop loss of 140 level. Planning to enter Nifty 17850C. 850C you can go, but you should be in a position to exit today itself, because don't carry overnight anything because of holidays. Monday premium could erode even if Nifty opens, I mean Nifty or Bank Nifty, whatever opens, if it opens flat. So you can go for it with the stop loss of 17,600 in Nifty. Spot Nifty, if it goes below 17,600, then you are supposed to exit your position. So do we have any other queries, friends? This is why I used to say you everybody to wait with patience. Okay, see here, what is the price? 269, which means our entry of 275 or below we have got. Go and see our Telegram channel. I mean, not in Telegram channel. I have posted it for premium members. So for you, I have suggested 280 or below. So it has come to 280. We need to wait with patience to take positions. Still hold PFC call 120 profits running. Yesterday it reversed from one call was at 7. I was out stuck in urgent work. Now should I book and buy 128 from the profits or hold as you said in last live session 124? See, PFC I have already suggested you in the earlier session, like what you have said. Above 124 it will do 130. But the thing is we have 2 days holidays in between. So because of holidays there will be a premium decay. As long as it does not open gap up on Monday, your premium will definitely get eroded from from where it closed till where it opens on Monday. If by any chance there is a gap down opening, say about even 1%, your premium will erode by at least 20%. So don't take that risk. Since you are saying that you are already in profits of 20,000, I would suggest that you may book now. Try to re-enter on Monday if there is a fall. Don't enter today. That is my suggestion. Abhishek, I understood your question, bro. 17,850 call is the one which you are saying. I understood your query, but the thing is, you will not be able to fix a stop loss based on the strike price since it is too far from the current market price. See, current market price, what it is quoting, 17,656. What you are saying is nearly 200 points out of the money call. So for this, we will not be able to fix a stop loss based on the call or put price. Okay, that is the reason I have suggested you maintain a stop loss as 17,600 in Nifty spot. If you see Nifty spot going below 17,600, then you may exit your position. I hope I've answered Abhishek very clearly. Holding ICICI on delivery basis. Delivery basis. Let's see chart what it is showing. ICICIGI. Yeah, this is your chart. Okay, so since you have said it on delivery basis, it should be a positional trade. If my guess is correct, this is forming a inverse head and shoulder pattern. Okay, if my guess is correct, it is showing a inverse head and shoulder pattern. What is inverse head and shoulder pattern? Let me draw here. This is how the move will be like for ICICI GI. Okay. Initially, it will try to test this particular area 1414, and then fall a bit towards this 1300 area, 1300 or 1320 area, and then once again it will climb again for a target of 1471. But you have purchased it at a very high price 1590. What I would suggest is, don't exit now, wait for this move to complete, and then the fall, let it come. So you may add some more quantity at 1320 levels if you have funds, and then try to exit when it reaches 1500 again, so 1550. So if this particular area on the second attempt, definitely this particular area will get breached. This will be the first attempt. It will halt over here, or maybe 1% plus or minus. Okay, and from there it will drop like this. Probably it will take support around somewhere near 1320 to 1350 areas, and then it will reclaim again. During the second attempt, it will definitely take the first resistance. It is clearly a inverse head and shoulders pattern. It is a bullish pattern, but in between there will be some profit booking. Okay, so in this case, you can expect a target of 1472 initially if you hold with patience. And if you are having funds and if you are averaging it over here, you can exit at 1470 odd levels part of your positions and hold the remaining for 1550. Okay, so if you want to mark the levels, at least take a screenshot of this particular screen and have it in your desktop or in your mobile, or you may even mark the levels as well in your charts. That will be well and good for you. Your query has been answered, Mitesh. Yeah, I will follow your instructions. Thank you, Mitesh. Just follow the levels. That is more than enough. Okay, if you still want to be more comfortable, better take a screenshot or mark the levels. Okay, in your charts, it will be helpful when you see it on daily basis. Actually speaking, inverse head and shoulder pattern is a bullish pattern. Yes, Bank Nifty 38,000 call gave me opportunity at 250. I was saying, right, I was thinking of entering at 250, but it came till during this conversation I have told it, right. It came till 256 and then raised again, and it came till 261 and raised again. I never bothered about it. I have just placed my order at 250 and it has got executed. See, this is how you need to trade, friends. You need to wait with patience until your level comes. What is your level? That should be your entry level. Don't ever bother what happens to market, and don't ever think that your level will not come and you will be not able to take position. Okay, and I am in 25 points profit as of now. Zerodha not allowing to buy 38,000 call. See, it is not SEBI rules, bro. It is the rule which Zerodha has created for themselves. Okay, those idiots want the retail traders to trade with higher premiums. Don't take me wrong that I am saying idiot, because only in Zerodha we have such kind of restrictions. In all other trading platforms, we don't have any restrictions on buying the calls or puts, whatever deep out of the money it may be. I think it is only in Zerodha. See, I am having GeoJet account, I am having Zebu trading account, I am having Allies Blue account. Everywhere I am able to buy everything. But only Zerodha, it is not allowing for us to take the out of the money calls. That too, it is not deep out of the money. It is in Bank Nifty. We cannot call it as deep out of the money call. It is just 50 points in. Sorry, 500 points away from the current price. The current price is 37,470, and we are taking a 3,800 call, 38,000 call, which means it is only 500 points. 500 points, it is almost only like 1.5% from current market price. You try to have an alternate account, whatever it may be, whichever broker you may feel that they are allowing, but before even opening with them, just check with them whether they are allowed to take out of the money positions. Okay, same way during the month end also, you will not be able to take any fresh positions in stock specific options from Tuesday onwards. Say for example, Thursday is the monthly expiry day. Okay, during the last week, uh, we will not be allowed to take new positions in Zerodha in stock specific options from Thursday, I mean from Tuesday itself. Whereas in other brokers, they will allow you till Wednesday. The thing is, you should not carry it for Thursday. This is how other brokers give advantage for small traders. Because his client base is very high, he fixes his own rules. One year zero brokerage. I don't know how they are giving, bro. There might be any hidden charges kind of stuff. Just check with them. See, even if there is brokerage, never mind about that. With the zero brokerage, how will they manage their business? That is not correct. There might be some hidden charges. Have a discussion with them and then open an account. Yes, AMC is there. AMC will be only for only if we open a demat account, I guess. If you want to open only the trading account, then there will not be any charges for like AMC. There might be some offer like this. Say for example, they will ask you to pay upfront amount of like 3,000 rupees or 2,000 rupees at the beginning. They will charge you, and then they will say that for 1 year there will not be any brokerage. Likewise, it might be there, but not sure about it. As I have any Allies Blue account. I mean, in my name, so I'm not aware about it. Holding Yes Bank 14 delivery base. Should I book profits? See, Yes Bank, there is some news factor which is going to come. There are rumors, but I don't know whether it is correct or not. There are some rumors that it could be acquired by Kotak Bank. I don't know whether it is true or not. Somewhere in social media I read about it. But if that is true, Yes Bank will easily come to maybe even double from here. Okay. So if you want to be on the safer side, let me check the charts and give it to you. Yes Bank, we are at 16. Okay. So there is no, the resistance comes at here 16.86. Okay. Actually speaking, it is in a very good position to cross 16.5, 16.85. Yes Bank, it is in a very good position. So you may hold on to now. If you are having very huge quantities, then book at least partial profits. Don't hold the entire quantity. You may book partial profits. Look at the weekly chart of S Bank from 400 in 2018. It is a disaster actually. Ruined every small traders, retail traders' wealth. Almost between 10 to 15 in the last 1.5 years, I believe. Yeah, almost 2 years. From mid 2001, sorry, it's not 2 years, it is 1 year. No, it is 2 years only. From July 2020 till now, it is hovering in between this range only. If my guess is right, he is going to show some unbelievable performance for everyone. But as of now, I will not be able to recommend it. It is a penny stock, so I don't recommend it. Actually, I had Alex Blau's account earlier from one Telegram channel. He said, open account our referral and get free trades. Then after 5 6 months, he closed it and told enroll in 6 months and 1 year membership for trade. So I closed it. See, these are all funny and fancy advertisements, bro. See, nobody is going to give you anything free, right? Nobody is going to give you anything free. There will be some hidden charges. If somebody says that he is giving calls free, he makes you, I mean, he forces you to make trades on his calls, and if you are not trading continuously on that particular platform, then he will obviously ask for money. See, I am also a sub broker of Zebu trading. Okay, I have never asked any members like this saying that I will give my calls free. Open an account with me in Zebu. I will never do so, because those kind of promotions will not help. See, if I'm doing something beneficial, something promotional activity, it should be beneficial for me as well as you. Only then it is a wise stuff, or else it is good for nothing. SBI seems bearish. No idea, bro. I have not seen. As far as me is concerned, SBI above 495 must hit 545. I go purely with the number game when it comes to SBI. I bought it in cash 5,500 for this month. If it hits, then very good for me. See, SBI, I don't know whether you have seen my YouTube videos earlier or not. SBI purely goes with the number game. Okay, number game in the sense what? 45 and 95 are the numbers. If you have not seen my YouTube video earlier, you may go and see later today. Okay, I have clearly explained how SBI, swing trades in SBI can be taken. Every time, if you take a trade at right level, you will get minimum 45 points. Abhi, this is for you. And Bank Nifty 38,000 call is at 280 plus. Whoever waited with for my levels till 250 are in profits right now. You may book if you are happy. Aluminum moves very good, but unfortunately we haven't got entry. If NG moves like this for today till 4:35 p.m., most probably second half will be a collapse for it. Crude oil, if one can maintain a stop loss of days low, which is 7246 is the days low. So if you are in a position to maintain a stop loss at 7245, you can try a long somewhere near 7290 to 7295. Not now, wait for a small dip and then buy, and your stop loss should be 7245. Abhi, you are saying this now. Adani Group has grown richer than Ambani, HDFC Twins, everything. You know, when did I said this? I have told this on the election outcome day of 2019 elections, when Modi regained the power for the second time. On that particular day, I said that this is going to happen. Even now, I can say one more thing. We are seeing Sri Lankan crisis, right? That kind of thing may come in India one fine day. Not now, maybe in next 5 years, if we are voting for BJP again. My status on that day when election outcome came in favor of BJP was, you will not believe, my this thing status on WhatsApp is India for sale, deal to be completed on or before 2023. This was my status. Everyone criticized me, but it is happening. It is almost happening. See, even now I can bet you that HDFC Bank's merger, it will not happen easily. It will not happen easily. They will not allow it. But if it happens, then it is good. Let us see. All kind of business approvals, Adanis are getting very easily than anyone. Okay, let's not discuss about politics here. If you ask me to speak about politics, I will speak for more than 3 days, 4 days. Tata Motors, what is this? Bank Nifty 38,000 call is almost trading near 300. It has breached 300 and then trading somewhere near 300 right now. So if you people are happy, book and get out. Holding RIL 2400 delivery. Can I book partial profits? No, Reliance you need not book right now, bro. Reliance, actually speaking, third week of this month will be the results. Historically speaking, it is one of the most manipulated stock in our markets. Generally speaking, 1 week before results, they will circulate all kind of positive information about the stock. So if my guess is correct, from Monday onwards, there will be some positive information about Reliance saying that they are going to this, acquire that, whatever it may be. So you may see that Reliance moving on the higher side. If you want, I can check you the charts and let you know. One moment. Charts give you superb explanation. See here. Okay, this was the earlier breakout point. It has broken out and had a good rally and then came down, took support at that earlier resistance zone, and now it is reclaiming again. And now, if my guess is correct, before results it may reach 2687 most probably. So if you want to be on the safer side, you may book partial profits when it comes to 2675. At present, don't book it. Just hold it, because they will manipulate stocks like any. Reliance Group will manipulate their stocks like anything, especially ahead of results. Okay. Ravi Bharat booked 3 Potak 38 to 41. Super, bro. 1200 rupees, right? See, that is enough. Okay, for intraday, if you get 1200 rupees, I will give you one good example. We all have seen painters. either we might have some friends, or we might have seen some labors like that. Okay, so if a painter who is painting on outer part of a building, we might have seen him hanging in a rope, and then he will paint. Okay, this fellow don't have insurance. Normally those laborers, they will not have insurance, and even if they have insurance also, that will be very less. Okay, his salary is only 800 to 1000 rupees per day. Something happens to him on negative side, say if the rope is gone and he fell down, then he will not be able to continue his work at least for a month until he recovers completely. But we people sitting in front of system or sitting in front of a mobile phone, if we are gaining 1000 rupees, means that is more than enough for us. That is the one example which I can give it to you. Why I am giving this example? You, many of you don't know, because every time I give this example, one of my friend is a painter, and the same thing happened to him. He fell down from second floor to uh, first floor. While falling, he got hurt in midway of his back. Okay, the place where the bone is getting joined with his back. He got hurt. As of now, it is 3 months. He is not able to recover. Booked 3 points. Yes, most manipulated stock RAL. Okay, sir, thanks. RBI PC starts, bro, press conference. Okay. Again, this fellow will come and give a lecture, man. He will not say anything new. This fellow will come and give a lecture. That's all. Nothing will happen. He will speak for 1.5 hours, 2 hours. He will have one other gentleman with him who will translate everything in Hindi, or else he will have few other subordinates with him, like deputy governor, something like that. Whatever the question people raises to him, he will say, my deputy governor will answer this question. That is what will happen right now. You may, if you are interested, you may watch his press meet. This is the nonsense which is happening across all these days. So I don't think it is worth watching. What's happening? Whether rates are updating or not? Yeah, it's updating. Right. So Bank Nifty above 338,000 call. So if people are happy, I would suggest you to book. I'm keeping on reiterating the same thing again and again. Why? Because you should not miss the profits. That is my intention. Where to learn the Nifty, Bank Nifty? See, charts, one. You just learn it on your own. Generally speaking, charts are reflection of, there are some patterns which a chart forms. obviously the pattern, whenever that pattern forms, the reaction will be also similar to that of the one which have occurred earlier.